News in the capital city, News Talk 93.9 and AM 1240, WPAF. Studying.
Moving to things you love, call 525-8515. Here's a look at your WA&D TV forecast. We're still seeing a few rain chances this morning across central Illinois, even with a rumble of thunder possible.
You stupid mother...
Sunshine pops out as temperatures top out near 80.
I cannot believe that there was no contact. Are you okay? I cannot believe that there was no contact. Are you okay? Wow. I don't know how there was no contact.
There's a car on the left. He didn't stop. He hit her.
Twice. And the truck.
And the truck. Almost hit mine.
Airbags,
okay, airbags are deployed on her car.
Online at airserve.com. It's AIRESERV.
Escape everyday life and head up over the Giants reach this golf season. Ranked by Golf Digest as one of the courses in the Midwest. Play 36 holes on best golf in the state in one great location. Book your tee time at GiantsRidge.com. Escape up the road.
Plus school supplies. Electronics equal a back-to-school list that might stretch any budget. How can you afford to send your kids back to school with everything they
We probably wouldn't classmates. So I was literally going to go to school to Full Sail for audio production. That's wild.
Yeah,
okay.
I graduated in 2004.
All right.
I started
Carry on with your
Holy shit, that's a moose. Holy
Already siding at Monaghan Lumber. It's your future. Monaghan Lumber, King of the Woods, your siding specialist. Monaghan Lumber. That has gold for the purchase. Why are you talking like that? Gold is for everyone. Visit guildhallwealth.com to find out how to invest, protect, and build your wealth with
God! You good?